Welcome to Don Bosco in a Year podcast.
Don Bosco, a spiritual guide for the young Saint Aloysius Sodality. 14th April 1847. The aim of the Sodality is to engage young people in practicing the main virtues that stood out most in this saint. Therefore, before joining, each one will have a month's trial to carefully think about the requirements and will not go ahead unless he feels he can fulfill it. Requirements. Saint Aloysius was a model of exemplary conduct. Therefore, all who want to become members of this sodality must follow his example. They must behave in such a manner as not only to avoid giving any kind of scandal, but also to strive constantly to set a good example. Everywhere, but especially in church. When Saint Aloysius went to church, people flocked to see this modest demeanor and his recollection. Endeavor to go to confession and communion every 2 weeks or even more frequently, especially on the solemn feast days. These sacraments are the weapon by which we triumph over the devil. As a young boy, Saint Aloysius received them every week. As he grew older, more often. Any member unable to fulfill this obligation may substitute some other act of devotion with his superior advices. Flee from bad companions as from a plague and be very careful to avoid improper conversations. Saint Aloysius not only shunned such talk but showed such modesty that no one even dared to utter an unseemly word in his presence. Practice the greatest charity towards your companions, readily forgiving any offense. Saint Aloysius repaid insults with friendship. Be very committed to keeping good orders at the oratory. Urge others to practice virtue and join this sodality. Saint Aloysius, out of love for others, volunteered to nurse the victims of the plague and thereby sacrificed his own life. When a sodality member falls sick, all the members should pray for him and also give him material assistance according to their means. Be very diligent in your work and in the fulfillment of the other's duty. Promptly obey your parents and superiors. Blessed Sacrament Sodality 1857. Here are the main articles in this regulation of the sodality. The principal aim of the sodality is to foster adoration of the blessed Eucharist and make reparation to Jesus Christ for the insult he received in the most august sacrament from infidels, heretics, and bad Christians. For this purpose, members will try to share their times for going to communion so that someone receives communion every day. Each member, with the permission of his confessor, will go to communion on Sunday and once during the week. A member will be especially ready to attend all functions directly concerned with the worship of the Blessed Eucharist, like serving at Mass, assisting at benediction, accompanying viaticum when it is brought to the sick, visiting the Blessed Sacrament during the 40 hours exposition. Each member will try to learn how to serve Mass well, carrying out all the ceremonies properly and devotedly, and distinctly repeating the words that belongs in this sublime ministry. There will be one spiritual conference a week, which everyone will keen to attend and will invite others to come and be punctual. The conferences will deal with matters directly concerning the worship of the Blessed Sacrament, such as encouraging going to communion with much recollection, instructing and helping those making their first communion, helping those who need information sheet dealing with this matter. After the conference, each one will choose some small sacrifice to put into practice during the week.
Thank you for joining us today on this journey to know Don Bosco. May these reflections deepen our faith, guide us closer to God each day, and hope to see you all tomorrow. Till then, keep seeking, keep praying, keep growing.